Coleman camping cot, air mattress and pump combo folding cot with side tables, airbed and battery pump, queen. 3-piece combo, includes cot with side tables, air mattress, and battery-operated pump. 4 D-cell batteries sold separately. Superior support, airbed's coil construction contours to body for better support. Leak-proof, factory tested to ensure air mattress stays firm all night. SEWN-IN cover, keeps air mattress in place on cot. 2 side tables, pull-out design for easy storage includes cup holders. Dimensions, 78x59x 22 inches strong steel frame, supports up to 600 pounds max height, 6 feet carry bag, included for easy storage. Versatile design to sleep indoors or outdoors. Airbed and cot for elevated sleeping support. Cot and airbed separate for double the sleeping space. Durable steel frame supports up to 600 pounds. 2 side tables with cup holders keep drinks and other personal items. Close on both sides. Included 4D battery pump inflates and deflates air batteries sold separately. Airtight system is guaranteed not to leak. Airbed and cot fold easily inside included carry bag for compact toting and storage. For heights up to 6 feet 2 inches 1-year limited warranty. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.